How to extend header navigation menu with on Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is with a simple put of a code or creation of a code that we can extend the header navigation menu with. So we are going to avoid setting up or getting a menu just like that. So the process is very easy. We're going to head over squarespace.com and then we're going to create or sign in into our account. Obviously, we're going to see the account dashboards. We're going to go to the website or select the website in here, and here we have it. So you can temporarily here click on edit or put in here, for example, the things in here. I'm going to stimulate this process. So we are going to put here page, for example, one. I'm going to add so many pages. So we are going to make it a little bit here narrow, page two, for example. So we are not going to get here a empty calls. So page three, and we're going to see here if we click on edit, it is going to be having this issue. So let's start by removing one or two pages. Here, I'm going to remove two pages maybe. Let's see here if it is going to be something like that. So basically, we are going to have this problem. You can click on edit here, a header, or edit the design, and put simply this design, and it is going to be gone. But this is not symmetrical and it is not put in the middle. If you are going to put it to the right or the left, it is not going to be convincing. For the right or here, the right menu or the left menu, it is not going to be also very good. You can get yourself this, but the logo is not going to be in place. So I want to have this, but I'm going to enlarge or augment or increase or extend also the header navigation menu here with. How we can do that? I'm going to save the parameters in here, click on exit, and then we are going to head over the website tools. From here, we're going to select the custom CSS. So what are we going to do now is to click on here. So we are going to add the cursor. I have this code, as you can see. So we are going to put or insert this code. And I am going simply to have it in here. So we're going to see that the navigator is going to be added in here. So if I add this code you are going to see that the elements or the menu items are going to be separated and also put in the middle. So let me represent the code for you. So we have set up the header navigation, which is going to be this. Also the header title navigation wrapper, we have set up a wrapper. We have put a flex for that wrapper, and the width of the navigation is going to be augmented to 90%. So if we put it at 70%, we're not going to see some major changes, but we are not going to put it up. But in case you're going to see the flex in here, it is going to be 90%. If we are going to change it to, for example, 50%, it is going to be a little bit narrow or less wider. And if we want to increase it more, you can go ahead and have it as 100. But in our case, if you have, I don't know here, noticed, it is not going to be perfectly centered. So with 100, it is not going to be centered, but on 80%, it is going to be at the middle right. So also for the header title navigation wrapper, it is going to be the same thing, but we're not going to put it as here. This is only for the vertical alignment in here. So as you can see, this is the code that you're going to see on the description section. So make sure that you're going to copy and paste that code. If it is not going to work correctly, go ahead and follow up the lines, each one of the lines in here of the video. Make sure that you're going to use it correctly. Then you're going to click on save. After that, you're going to have here everything set up in order. So basically that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.